Install and activate your eSIM on a Google Pixel manually by simply copying and pasting a code. After purchasing your eSIM, you'll receive a message via email or WhatsApp with all the information you need for the process. Please remember to install the eSIM one day before your trip. We'll guide you step by step. To get started, go to Settings, tap Network and Internet, then SIMs, and add SIM. On the Connect to a Mobile Network screen, select Set up an eSIM. To install an eSIM using manual codes, tap Try these troubleshooting steps. There, you'll find the option Enter Activation Code. This is where you need to paste the Android activation code exactly as you received it via email or WhatsApp. Make sure to copy and paste the full code, ensuring it starts with LPA and continues without spaces as shown in the video. Tap Next and wait for the installation to begin. Tap Setup and wait a few minutes until the Activate Your eSIM screen appears. Then, simply tap the Settings button in the bottom right corner to complete the installation. You've installed your Holafly eSIM just by copying a code. We recommend naming your eSIM so you can easily identify it. To do this, select the eSIM you just installed and tap the pencil icon in the top right corner. When finished, tap Save. Once you arrive at your destination, it's time to activate it. To do so, go to Settings, then Network and Internet. Tap SIMs, turn off your regular SIM by tapping the toggle next to it, and then select Turn Off to confirm. Tap the toggle next to your Holafly eSIM. In the confirmation window, select Turn On. Next, scroll down and make sure mobile data is enabled. Finally, select the Holafly eSIM, enable roaming, and tap OK on the confirmation screen. Don't worry, Holafly doesn't charge roaming fees. Remember, your data will only activate once you arrive at your destination. To ensure peace of mind and avoid any issues, please note that eSIM compatibility in Pixel devices depends on the country of manufacture. We recommend installing the eSIM using a stable and secure Wi-Fi connection. It's important not to interrupt the installation process, which takes about 5 minutes. Your new eSIM may appear under different names on your device. If you experience any issues, our customer support team is available 24/7. That's it. Stay connected wherever you go and enjoy your trip by simply copying and pasting a code. Peace of mind. Always. It's so simple.